we're going to the great backyard and we need to decide which doors we're going to use.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3 passenger and 1 driver, and that should be all the doors we need. Let's see, I do need to find enough hinges though, so I need to make sure to do that. And then I need to pick out which door jambs I'm going to get off of these truck cabs to make our door jambs for our doors here. So I'm gonna pick out a few and then start loading up the trailer to take them to sandblast, and I need to dismantle them. So lots to do. I'm using this blade because it has power blast technology. Obviously you need that. If you didn't know, you need that. The reason I knocked that out was because it would be harder to fix later, and I can just put in a new base plate. They do sell that piece. You know, that might have changed the width of that door jamb, so you want to get that kind of work taken care of. Check out how horrible this is. Some sort of insulation and flathead and Phillips screws, painted seals, parts that are not supposed to be welded on or welded on. All these terrible colors when it was that beautiful, I don't know what they called that, buckskin. Just nasty. This is more along the lines of like disgusting than just, you know, old and used. This is just nasty. Is that a Toyota handle? And a homemade handle? I don't know. Something off your barbecue? And then if you need to have that attached, just put a screw there. That'll work. That'll work. Won't keep the rust out of the bottom though. I'll tell you that right now. Won't keep your door on. This door just is the gift that keeps on giving. They freaking glue your window track channels in with Expando foam. So now we got Expando foam stuck to everything. Window crank handle, the screws out of it. That's supposed to make it pop off, but I'm betting there's some JV weld or something going on under there. How much meth do you have to smoke when you decide that this is a good looking paint job? You're like, yep, nailed it. Alright, there's the other doors we need. It'd be 3 on the passenger side, 1 on the driver's side, all rear. And then the 2 passenger side rear door jambs. We have 1 more for the front and 1 more for the rear on the panel truck that just went to sandblasting this morning. So That's our major pieces.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna